Hi, we're on the Scout 530 LXF, and this thing's a fishing machine. It's got the SureShade on it, but it also has the fishing outriggers and tower, and you can go in any water you want to get out there and go catch some monster fish. Its shade is currently coming out here. It protects you from the sun, and then we also have the 5 Mercurys across it. They're all 4-stroke and plenty of power for this boat. And you can see here we have the SureShade that is extending currently, and it has the rod holders that actually flip down when the shade is out. Then when it retracts, they flip back up so you get ready to put all your rods in there. This has the large fishing tower on it. It has the outriggers for when you're out there trolling and going out there to catch some giant saltwater fish.